Welcome to English Listening Stories. Today's story is slow, clear, and easy to follow for English learners. Mia has a cough and a sore throat after work. She goes to a pharmacy with her friend Daniel to buy cold medicine. But there are many choices, and she needs help understanding the instructions. Can you answer this question? How many times a day should Mia take the medicine? Listen carefully. The answer is in the story. And after you watch, try writing your answer in the comments. Writing in English can help you remember new words and practice your listening too. Now, let's begin the story.
You look tired today, Mia.
Yeah, I don't feel very well.
Oh no, what's wrong?
I have a cough.
A bad cough?
Not very bad, but my throat hurts too.
That doesn't sound good.
Yeah, I feel tired all day.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't think so.
That's good at least.
But my throat really hurts when I talk.
Maybe you need cold medicine.
Yeah, I think so too.
Did you take any medicine today?
No, I didn't have time this morning.
You should get some medicine after work.
I want to.
There's a pharmacy near the station.
Oh, really?
Yeah, it's small, but it's good.
That sounds nice.
We can go together.
Thanks. I just need cold medicine for my cough and throat.
The pharmacist can help you.
I hope so. There are always many kinds of medicine.
That's true. There are many choices.
Sometimes I don't know which one is good.
Don't worry, we can ask questions.
Yeah, that helps.
Are you okay to walk there?
Yeah, I'm okay. Just a little tired.
Let's go slowly then.
Sounds good.
Do you need water first?
Yes, please. My throat is very dry.
Here you go.
Thanks, Daniel.
No problem.
I hope the medicine helps quickly.
I think you'll feel better soon.
I hope so too.
Okay, let's go to the pharmacy.
Yeah, let's go. Wow, there's so many kinds of medicine here.
Yeah, there are many choices.
I don't know which one is good for a cough.
Let's look slowly.
Okay.
This shelf says cold and flu.
Oh, I see it.
And this one says cough relief.
Maybe I need that one.
Maybe, but your throat hurts too, right?
Yeah, my throat still hurts a lot.
Then maybe you need medicine for both.
That makes sense.
Look at this box.
What does it say?
It says for cough, sore throat, and fever.
I don't have a fever though.
Right.
Maybe this one is too strong.
Maybe.
There are many words on the boxes.
Yeah, it can be confusing sometimes.
This one says daytime.
And this one says nighttime.
Oh, interesting.
Some medicine can make you sleepy.
I don't want that tomorrow morning.
Yeah, you have work tomorrow.
Exactly.
Let's check another one.
Okay.
This one looks simpler.
What does it help with?
It says cough and sore throat.
That sounds better for me.
But I'm still not sure.
Me too.
Maybe we should ask the pharmacist.
Yeah, that's probably better.
The pharmacist can explain the medicine.
Good idea.
Do you want help with anything else?
Maybe some throat candy too.
Throat candy?
You know, for a sore throat.
Oh, throat lozenges.
Ah, yes, lozenges.
Those can help too.
Nice.
Okay, let's ask the pharmacist now.
Yeah, let's do that.
Hello, can I help you?
Hi, yes, please.
What do you need today?
I need cold medicine.
Okay. What symptoms do you have?
I have a cough and a sore throat.
I see.
My throat hurts when I talk.
Do you have a fever?
No, I don't.
Any headache?
Just a little.
Okay. How long have you felt sick?
Since yesterday morning.
And do you feel very tired?
Yes, very tired.
Okay. I think this medicine can help.
Oh, okay.
This one is good for coughs and sore throats.
That sounds good.
It can also help with body pain.
Nice.
Do you usually take this kind of medicine?
No, not usually.
That's okay.
Is it strong?
No, not very strong. Good. It may make you a little sleepy.
Oh, really?
Yes, so it's good to rest at home.
Okay,
Drink lots of water too.
I will.
Warm tea can help your throat. That sounds nice right now. Many people like warm tea with honey.
I like honey tea too.
Good. That may help you feel better. Thank you. You're welcome.
Should I take anything for my cough at night?
This medicine should help during the night too.
Okay, great.
And these throat lozenges may also help.
Oh yes, I wanted those too.
These are lemon flavor.
Lemon is fine.
Okay, I'll get them for you.
Thank you very much.
No problem.
Okay, let me explain the medicine.
Okay.
Please take this medicine 2 times a day.
Sorry?
2 times a day.
Oh, okay.
1 time in the morning and 1 time at night.
I see.
Please take it after food.
After food?
Yes, after breakfast and after dinner.
Oh, okay.
Don't take it on an empty stomach.
Sorry, what does empty stomach mean?
It means no food in your stomach.
Ah, I understand now.
Good.
So I should eat first,
Yes, exactly.
then take the medicine after food.
Right.
Okay.
Also, drink plenty of water.
Okay, I will.
And please get some rest tonight.
I really need that.
You sound very tired.
Yeah, it was a long day at work.
I understand.
Sorry, can you say the instructions one more time?
Of course. Thank you. Take the medicine 2 times a day, 2 times a day. 1 in the morning and 1 at night. Morning and night. And always take it after food. After food. Correct.
Okay.
I understand now.
Great. How many days should I take it?
About 3 to 5 days.
Okay.
If you feel worse, please see a doctor.
I will.
Do you have any other questions?
No, I think that's everything.
Okay. I hope you feel better soon.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
So, did you get the medicine?
Yeah, I did.
Nice.
The pharmacist was very helpful.
That's good to hear.
This medicine is for my cough and sore throat.
Sounds perfect for you.
I think so too.
Did the pharmacist explain everything clearly?
Yes, but I asked a few questions too.
That's always good.
At first, I didn't hear the instructions clearly.
Really?
Yeah, so I asked the pharmacist to repeat them.
Good idea.
The pharmacist spoke more slowly the second time.
That helps a lot sometimes.
Yeah, then I understood everything.
Nice.
I need to take the medicine 2 times a day.
Morning and night?
Exactly.
And after food, right?
Yep, after breakfast and after dinner.
Sounds easy enough.
Yeah, I understand now.
Good.
The pharmacist also said to drink lots of water.
That's important.
And warm tea, too.
Tea sounds really nice tonight.
I know, I want warm honey tea so much right now.
You should make some when you get home.
I will.
Did you buy the throat lozenges too?
Yeah, lemon flavor.
Nice choice.
I hope they help my throat.
I think they will.
I already feel better because I know what to do now.
That's great.
I just need medicine, rest, and sleep.
Exactly.
Thanks for coming with me today.
Of course, no problem.
It really helped.
I'm glad.
Okay, I'm going home and going straight to bed tonight.
That sounds like a good plan.
I hope I feel better tomorrow.
I think you will.
You did a good job at the pharmacy today.
Thanks. I feel much better now.
That's good.
I'm happy we went there after work.
Yeah,
There were so many kinds of medicine.
that's true.
At first, I wasn't sure which one was good for my cough,
Right.
but the pharmacist explained everything clearly.
Exactly.
First, we looked at the medicine shelves together.
Yeah, we checked a few different boxes,
Then we asked the pharmacist for help.
and that was a good idea.
I said, I need cold medicine.
Right.
Then I explained my symptoms.
You said you had a cough and a sore throat.
Yeah,
The pharmacist asked if you had a fever, too.
but I said no.
Exactly.
After that, the pharmacist showed you the medicine.
And explained the instructions.
At first, I didn't hear 2 times a day.
So you asked again.
Yeah, I said, sorry, can you say that again?
That was perfect.
Then the pharmacist repeated it slowly.
Morning and night.
And always after food.
Exactly.
I understand now.
Nice.
I think these kinds of conversations are very useful.
Definitely.
Now I know what to say at a pharmacy.
That's important.
Next time, I think it will feel easier.
I think so too.
Thanks again for helping me today.
Anytime.
Okay, tonight, medicine, tea, and sleep.
That sounds perfect.
Hopefully I feel better tomorrow morning.
I hope so too.
Oh, the train is coming.
Yep. Let's go home.
Sounds good.
Get some good rest tonight.
Mia finally got the right medicine and understood the instructions clearly. Now she knows what to say at a pharmacy, and she feels more confident about real-life English conversations. And you did a great job listening today, too. Let's remember today's listening question. How many times a day should Mia take the medicine? If you know the answer, write it in the comments below. Even a short English sentence is great practice. Writing your answer can help you remember the story, review useful phrases, and build your English step by step. We hope this story helped you feel calm, comfortable, and more confident with everyday English. And if you enjoyed learning with us today, please like the video and subscribe to English Listening Stories for more slow and relaxing English conversations. If you would like to support the channel and help us create more gentle listening stories, you can also join our channel membership. Thank you for listening with us today. Take care, keep practicing, and see you in the next English Listening Story.